I apologize in advance for the wind noise, but I have the Jiusi WB12Pro out here. I've already done speed testing on this and some on-road ripping. It's gone as fast as 40 miles an hour right out of the box and 66 miles an hour just by swapping in a 29 tooth pinion gear. Now I'm gonna go ahead and test it out on a baseball field and see how it handles off-road. Again, this thing is completely stock right out of the box, and definitely check out those other videos if you're interested in speed running. That's what I plan on doing with this, but before I modify it any further, I want to go ahead and test it off-road. So let's see how it performs. Stay tuned. And here we go. Definitely traction limited out here. Can't go full throttle, but it is drifting nicely. Very stable off-road. One of the most stable cars I've ever run out here. This thing just drifts beautifully. Very nice. Certified ripper. And let's see how good of a job this body does of keeping dirt out of it. It seems to seal the car pretty good, but there we go. Not a whole lot of dirt and dust in there. The only thing I'll say is the motor is getting pretty warm, so you'll want to add a cooling fan if you pick up one of these, and I plan on doing that just as soon as I swap this ESC out for a higher performance one, so I can really open it up and eventually get to my goal of 100 miles an hour. I popped in another stock battery that's fresh. So we'll go ahead and see if we can get any closer to 60. Easing into it. Full throttle. Seemed a little happier that run. I kept it rolling. Didn't. Oh wow, 66 miles an hour. Wow, on the stock setup. Let's try that one more time. Only change it for Pinion here. Stop, read, 65 miles an hour. So back to back, solid runs on a stock Jiusi. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and call it quits here. I don't really want to get this thing too dusty because it's gonna be a dedicated Speedrun car. But there you go, the Jiusi WB12 Pro. Awesome drifter on a baseball field. Great stuff.